Welcome to Ryan's Dream World. Hey guys, welcome to my channel Ryan's Dream World, and today I'm going to show my Rubik's Cube one by one. Look at that, it's already in team and solved one by one. And look at that, they're all team and they're all together. Look, it looks so cool. And we have a timer, and I'm going to say how minutes and seconds and hours can I do. And my dad's going to help me for that. Ready, Dad?
Yes, I'm ready. Yes. So Ryan have challenge today. So Ryan make one by one color, each color, yeah. But I wanna give you challenge for the tough one, no easy one. So they have timing also here. So Ryan, okay. So Ryan, so start. Okay. So Ryan, you make white color, yeah.
Okay.
So white color. So I put timing 1, 2, 3.
Done.
Okay.
25 minutes.
No minute, 25 seconds.
Oh?
Good. Okay, so next, yeah. Let's start red color.
Red.
So 1, 2, 3.
Oh, this is hard. This is hard. Done.
Oh, wow, that's good. 32 seconds. So I think you're gonna make 30 seconds next one. All right. Okay, so I'm gonna
No,
do
1
this.
second.
Okay, 1 second now. Reset again. Okay, so next one is a tough one.
Orange.
Okay, orange one, yeah. So guys, Ryan start now. 1, 2, 3. Fast, Ryan, fast. Come on, come on. More fast. Come on, Ryan. Very good. Come on.
I'm done.
Ooh, wow. 23
seconds.
seconds. Wow.
These are my 30 seconds.
Yeah, first 30 and 23 seconds. Wow, good, man. Very good. Okay, so next one.
I have done this.
So next one, 20 second. Yes, come on.
No, 1 second.
Now 1 second, 20 seconds.
I want
Okay,
1 second.
so next one. Okay, 1 second, I reset.
Blue.
So next one you have green. Yeah. So
No,
one.
I have to find blue first. Okay, yeah.
So 1, 2, 3. Come on, fast, fast.
Done.
Okay. You have 29 seconds. No problem. It's good. Still good, man. No worry. That's fine. It's good. Okay, so next one. I think white one, yeah?
Yeah.
So you make for white one 20-second challenge. Alright? So 1, 2, 3. Come on, fast. 20 seconds. Come on. Yes, good. Good. Good, good. Come on.
Dad, stay ready.
Come on, come on.
Dad.
24 second, 56 minute. Oh, no, sorry. 24 minute. Oh, 24? What's it?
24 seconds.
Yeah, 24 second.
But it's still good because
Still good, okay, so no problem. Next year again. Okay, show me the hard one, yeah? Okay.
Oh.
I think
Yeah.
next one.
Blue.
No, red.
Red.
Yes. So 1, 2, 3. Come on. That's good game. It's a mind game, yeah.
Yeah, it keeps my mind.
So your mind go more sharp.
2 left. All ready.
Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Dad, stay ready. Dad.
Oh, wow.
1 second.
Yes,
Dad made it.
yes, good. 20 second.
Oh my God.
Just 20 second. It's not
That's not
bad.
good.
Yes, good.
That's
Okay.
not good.
Next
We
one.
was ready for 20.
I think it's the next one 50 second. Yeah. Okay.
Oh,
So
no.
50 second.
50.
Yeah, 15 second. I think I give you now more hard. Okay. So, okay. So white one. Yeah.
The white one again?
Yeah. So white one. 1, 2.
You only got 4 left.
Okay. No problem. Which one? So white one, yeah? So 1, 2, 3. Come on, fast. 50 second challenge. You have 3 seconds, 4 seconds, 5 seconds already done.
I only got 1 left.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
Done.
Oh, wow.
Oh.
Show me. Wow.
11 seconds.
11 seconds.
That's great.
That's very good. Just 11 seconds. Wow, man. Okay, so next one again. 10 seconds.
That is crazy.
10 seconds, yeah?
No, 1 second.
No, 1 second. 10 seconds. So, next one is... I think next one... orange. Okay. So, next one, orange. Okay, guys, ready?
Yes.
Ryan, ready?
Yes.
1, 2, 3. Come on, fast, fast, fast. 10 seconds. Come
I
on.
knew I could remove faster.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
Done.
Okay.
Oh,
This is long, but 26 seconds, na? No problem. But it's good. Okay, so next one is, guys.
Oh, look at that. I don't know how to between the...
Are you done with both sides?
No, I did it for both sides. That was lucky if they made it.
Yeah. Okay, so next one. So green color, yeah? So next one, Ryan, green color. So guys, ready?
Yes.
Ryan, ready?
Yes.
Come on, more fast, yeah?
What is it for?
1, 2, 3.
Done.
Yes.
14 seconds.
seconds.
No,
Good.
14 seconds.
Very good. Very good.
Oh my God. Asta.
Okay. So this next one is the last one, yeah?
Oh.
Which one you think about?
White. White is my favorite color.
Okay.
No, we haven't done yellow.
No, you done yellow. Okay, done yellow, yeah.
Yeah, we didn't do yellow.
Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Fast, fast. Come on, come on.
I only got 2 left, Dad.
Come on, come on, come on. This is your challenge, man. Come on.
Done. 16 seconds. second.
Okay, good, very good. It's
But
good.
still good.
Still, it's good, man. Look, show me. Wow.
Remember the 14 second?
Yeah,
It's very
40
good.
seconds. Your first one, 30 seconds. Yeah, now you slowly better. So one day you're gonna do like it's 5 seconds, innit? Wow, it's
Oh.
good. So guys, this is a really good game, yeah. So you have mind sharp mode, yeah. Yeah, Ryan?
Yeah.
Yes,
And
yeah.
and then you know more things, and then you don't need to learn.
Yes. So
Thank you guys for watching my video. Subscribe and try to watch more videos. Bye. Click the bell icon, like our videos. I hope you do the Rubik's Cube too.